we have this project. It's called Promoting Darag Native Chicken as a Livelihood Option in Negros Oriental. So it's very clear that the objective of this project is to provide not only as additional protein source for all families and particularly farmers here in Negros Oriental, but particularly a livelihood option for business enterprise. Provide breeder Darag Native Chickens to as many as 200 farmer adopters throughout the province. So we have targeted at least 65 to 70 Darag Native Chicken adopters per district. And we have also supported and located and helped build 3 breeding facilities in each district. So we have one in District 1 in Ayungin. Here in District 2, we have what we have here in Silliman University Farm. And in District 3, we have in Zamboanguita. The highlight, of course, of this project would be eventually getting a sustainable supply of native chicken meat here in the province. We have a very, very strong demand for native chicken meat here in the province.